Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Brianna. This is Looks Like Bree. We focus on all things plus size fashion. So if you're interested, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and join the cutie family. So today's video, y'all, my hair is not done, so y'all gonna get hair tie shorty, okay? Because I'm going to get my hair braided. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm heading to Minnesota for the first time. So y'all, I'm going on a work trip, okay? But of course, you already know, outside of work, we gotta have some play. So this video is just gonna show y'all like the different outfits that I'm gonna pack outside of what I'm gonna wear to work. And y'all just help me pack, and we just gonna talk and get into it and get into my ideas. And yeah. So yeah, I checked the weather in Minnesota and it looks like it's gonna be between 45, like the upper 40s to like the lower 60s. And I want y'all to know, when we went to DC, y'all, I struggled. I do not like the cold like that. I am from Louisiana. I always tell y'all about how hot it is here, but I would take the heat over the cold any day. All right. So I'm packing some spring outfits that's still appropriate for the cold, just in case we decide to do something outside of, well, not no just in case, when we decide to do something outside of work hours. So this is the first little outfit, y'all, and I got a new little tripod setup that I got, and I like it, and I'm gonna link it down below so y'all can get one too. All right, it's literally no setup at all. So I'm about to adjust the camera, so let me know what y'all think about this. Okay, y'all, and ignore my drink back here. I'm into the dirty drinks from Sonic now, y'all. And whew, today I tried Diet Dr. Pepper with blackberry and vanilla, and it's good. So yeah, I think y'all can see my feet. Let's just assume. But I'm putting this up here. I can't frame my video. All right, so y'all, this is the first look that I'm bringing. Now, I told y'all I was on a little weight loss journey. I'm still slowly going. We're going to talk about it in another video, not today. But this is the first outfit. So these jeans are from Fashion Over. I showed y'all these recently. And y'all, they fit. They actually a little loose now. And I'm thankful for that. But I literally just bought this cardigan out of Walmart because it was on sale for $7. Y'all, I think this is so cute together. In my head, if we decide to go somewhere like a museum or maybe go browse the mall, I think this would be comfortable. And I like the way that it looks. I'm going to probably like tuck the cardigan in a little bit. And being that it's still kind of windy there, like cold, I'm going to put a tank top up under here. Right now, I just got on a bra. But what y'all think about this? Because I think it's cute. And I think it's like super easy to wear. So what y'all think? And of course, with the jeans, I'm going to be re-wearing this stuff, because I'm trying not to overpack like I normally do. So of course with the jeans, I'm gonna probably put them on with something else, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna wear it with. So this is the first outfit that I'm gonna bring. Let's move on to something else. Hey y'all, so I picked up this Minnesota Twins baseball t-shirt. Okay, so I got this shirt because the conference that we're going to, they gave us a deal on tickets for a professional baseball game. So we're going to see the Minnesota Twins play the White Sox. Of course, White Sox gear would have been more, how do I want to say it? White Sox gear would have been more preferential for me. But we're going to go with the Minnesota gear, and we just going to make it work since we are part of the home team side. So, y'all, this is the shirt with the pants. So, these pants are from Simply 10. And, y'all, they don't have a button on them. They have, like, these two little ties. And I don't know if I like that or not. But I love the color, and I love them together. Because it's going to be 60 degrees in Minnesota, I'm going to just bring my denim jacket. That is conveniently sitting on the floor over here. So, I'm going to wear this together. And my hair going to be braided. And y'all, I ain't never wore this jacket out of the house. But I think as far as like, with this outfit, it's going to be cute. I don't think I'm going to probably roll it up as much. But I like how it looks like together. Tennis shoes is going to be my option for shoes. But I don't know which ones. Maybe might do silver jewelry and just wear my silver ones. Why am I falling? But I might do silver jewelry and just wear my silver ones. And let me know, should I cut a V-neck into this shirt or should I just leave it alone? Because, baby, I will cut a V-neck in a second. So what y'all think about these two together? And I'm gonna show y'all how else I might wear these pants while I'm out there too. All right, y'all. So when it comes down to it, I'm gonna be wearing my clothes this summer. So excuse the mess on the bed, but this is a pack with me video. Y'all, this is cute. Like, I love this so much. This is the mesh top y'all have seen 3 times in the last 2 to 3 videos. I'm sorry, but I thought it was so cute with these green pants, y'all. Like, the colors just go. I would definitely wear this if we go out like that night and I wanted something cute to put on. Like, it just goes. I love it so much. So let me know what y'all think. Y'all like the way this look? Because I'm feeling it. Now, my problem gonna come in with shoes, because if it's cold, I'm not wearing my toes out. That's just not gonna happen. We're gonna have to reconsider, refigure up some stuff. But this is cute. Like, super cute. So this is the second way I would style these green pants while I am in, I'm gonna say Michigan, in Minnesota. So let me show y'all a couple more things, and then we're gonna end this video because I can feel myself about to overpack. I can feel it. I know y'all are sick of me with these shirts, but it's okay because this is another outfit that I'll bring y'all. These are my favorite pants, the ones with the little splits on the side. I just love this. Like, easy to put on, and because it's going to be cold, y'all, I could easily put my tan coat on top of all these outfits and then just call it a day. So that's, I'm trying to like think in that headspace too. But of course, like, I'm living for this here. I'm living for the jeans. I'm living for the blue on blue. It's doing what it needs to do. So, a little caveat. I bought some shoes, y'all. So I got these Reeboks. I don't know what they call, but I got them from DD's for $30. And y'all know I love green. So, why not? They're like a nice, like, neutral color with this just pop of green. And I thought they were cute. And of course, I'm bringing these because they go with everything. And it's my silver ones. I would even wear this with this outfit if it was cold enough. Like, I'll just throw these on. I love them. That's why you need versatile shoes in your wardrobe. And I'm learning. Trust me. I don't know everything. I'm still learning just like y'all. But I'm starting to see like what go with what and like how it all comes together. So y'all, I'm taking this. I bought this little sweater thing that's similar to the pink one I showed y'all from the Goodwill, and I low-key want to wear this with a jumpsuit, but I can't figure out where I put my denim jumpsuit. I'm about to look for it, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so I really don't feel like trying on this jumpsuit, but this is it. Like, this is the denim jumpsuit. Y'all done seen me wear this. I'll pop up an old picture or video from Fashion Nova, and I think I just want to bring this because I can just throw it on with some tennis shoes and call it a day and not have to think too much about it. So I think this is going to come. I have a green one from Lane Bryant too. That would really be cute for the spring. Now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, I got it put up because it was warm here. And I don't know if I want to bring that one. Let me show y'all that one. Okay. But I got this green one for the spring. Well, I got it for the fall. But I think it can work in the spring, y'all, especially for Minnesota, like the type of weather that we having. And this with these, I think it would eat. Hold on. I might try this one on. Let me try it on and then let's just see. All right, y'all. So this is the jumpsuit. I'm sorry if I'm always looking around, but I do have a mirror like right behind the camera. So this is it with the shoes. It comes down to this length, and I might roll up the pants leg with y'all. I like it like right above the shoe because you get to see the shoe. So I don't know. I like this jumpsuit though, and I feel like this is cute for the spring. My hair gonna be braided too, and I think that this outfit would eat. So that's how I look from the back, y'all. You could just tell that your girl has lost a little weight, and I'm feeling myself right now. Okay, feeling myself. But yes, this is it. So y'all, I think I'm gonna pack this one and the denim one just because with the denim one, I could just put on my ones, and that's 2 different looks. And I only need something for like 3 nights. I always overpack. So this is all the casual clothes I'm pack. Pack my work clothes and my night clothes and my toiletries, and then that's gonna be that. So y'all, let me know what y'all think about this. Oh, I do want to show y'all some jewelry that I have before I go. I got some new jewelry, silver jewelry and gold jewelry. These are some silver bracelets, like y'all. They came in 2 in a pack. I love them. These necklaces right here, they came 2 in a pack. I don't know where the other one is, but they're nice. Y'all seen my gold chain belt. Of course, I'm gonna bring that. So I bought these little rings from It's Fashion, and I forgot I had them. So I have these. Y'all, this is a chunky silver necklace. Hold on, let me take it out the pack. I'm trying to show y'all stuff in the pack. Oh, I probably should have put this in my mouth. But it is what it is. But when I seen this necklace, I knew I had to have it, okay? And it is this really cute. It looks like a belt. Look how cute, y'all. It looks like a belt. I haven't tried it on, but I'm going to bring some extenders with me just to make sure I'll be able to wear all my jewelry. And I got this one. It's a rose necklace. I really bought this here for an outfit that I wore. And I ended up wearing something else. I don't even think I wore a necklace with the outfit. But look how cute. Let me just show y'all the rose. And it made me think about the song, Can I Call You Rose? But look how cute. And that's from It's Fashion. Fashion Over. My favorite place. This is another gold chain belt that I feel like I don't need to take out the pack, but just a regular gold chain belt. And that's all my new stuff, y'all. So I'm gonna continue to pack. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it's not like too much all over the place, y'all. I'm just trying to give myself ideas, and why not do it while I'm with y'all? Tell me what y'all think about me with the Reeboks, because my husband was like, people don't wear that anymore. And I'm like, I'm not people, I'm Bree. He always talk about the way that I dress, but not in a bad way, y'all. We always go back and forth, but in the end, he loves that I love fashion, and it inspires him to pick out stuff for himself as well. If you made it this far into the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Give your girl a like so YouTube can push it out to other people. Like I always tell y'all before I go, I love you. God loves you, y'all. Stay safe. Continue to pray, and I'll see you in my next video. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.